Text: positioning the Beltone TV Streamer Plus on the back of the TV. A plugged Beltone TV Streamer Plus sits next to a set of Velcro adhesive strips. A set of hands pick up the Velcro and begin separating the two strips. One strip is set down and the backing paper from the adhesive side of the other strip is removed. The device is turned upside down and the adhesive side of the strip is stuck to the bottom of the streamer. The paper is removed from the adhesive side of the second strip, and it is attached vertically to the back of the TV, next to the outlets. The device is then secured to the TV, matching up the two Velcro strips and positioned with its wires facing the TV outlets and wires. Logo: Beltone. Copyright 2023, GN Hearing AS. All rights reserved. Beltone is a trademark of GN Hearing AS.